In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to effectively search for specific words in a Word document. Open the Word document you want to search. Hold down the Control key and press F to open the search bar on the right side. Type the keyword or phrase you want to find in the search box. Review the results, which will show the occurrences of the keyword along with their page numbers. Click on a result to jump to that location in the document. Optionally, use the Find button in the top right corner to access the search functionality. Narrow your search terms if necessary to get more relevant results. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.